Alright, so today we're going to be trolling in World of Tanks Blitz train. Leave me some ideas in the next battle of what I should do when I troll. Please. Alright, so let's get to trolling. First off, let's just see if friendly fire's on. And if it is, we're just going to attack some people. Okay, that's not a problem. Alright, so let's go attack some people. First, let's start off by ramming someone.
Our track is hit. It can break any minute.
Alright, now we're just gonna go around this guy and we're gonna see if we can scare him to death. He'll probably get scared. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's scared. This D100 looks fishy. Should we kill someone? Leave in the comments if I should do a part 2 for this troll video, by the way. Let's just go kill this Yui. And I'm just gonna turn the microphone off. Sorry to turn off the microphone. There's like a little bug with the video or something. I had to turn it off because there was like some bug or something going on. Like it was like buzzing or something. I heard like some buzz noise with the thing, so I had to turn it off. And please leave in the comments if I should do a part 2 World of Tanks Blitz trolling, or if I should do platooning with fans. Let's kill this MS-1. We're gonna do that in 1 minute. Perfect. That was a great shot. That was a perfect shot at the perfect time. Oh, this C100 is pretty mad. No, I didn't. These E100s are crazy. I'm bringing in my Jag Panther to avenge myself. I'm bringing in my Jag Panther to avenge myself against these crazy E100s. These E100s are super crazy. They kill me just because I kill someone that trolls someone, even though I'm the one trolling. I'm just gonna start spamming the comments. This will probably get some people mad, hopefully. I used to be I used to be a purple star, but I haven't played in like 2 months. Because I've been doing other videos on YouTube besides World of Tanks. I'm probably gonna catch up on the World of Tanks series. Thanks for Apple autocorrect. I'm just gonna keep doing this until the owner kicks me off the server. And I don't even have to do anything, I just have to click on these. Maybe we'll get some people mad. This is what the E100s get for killing me. And credits to Apple for having this feature. Shout out to Apple.com. And shout out to Tim Cook. Or the person who's making the iPhones currently. Because they have this feature. So I don't have to type it super slow. Maybe we'll get some people pretty mad. Alright, now we're gonna bring in the Jag Panther and start some real war. Okay, let's bring in the real tank. The real thing they've been waiting for. We're gonna destroy it. Oh, come on! Alright, we're just gonna do another. Alright. I got kicked. Let's go find for a 1-player server and just ruin his day. I guess I have no choice but to ruin. Nope, he's not in there. Okay, we'll join him. We're just gonna. Let's just do a tier. A tier spot. That's a good tank. Alright, perfect. We're gonna troll him. And after that we troll this guy, we're just gonna do a regular battle. First, let's ruin it. First, let's just do something with his day. He already knows what I'm doing. No, actually he doesn't. No, but I'm just gonna make it seem like I'm not doing anything to him though. I'm just gonna say this. And I'm gonna turn the mic off for this battle so you can hear the audio just fine. Okay, I'm gonna make sure you can hear this audio perfectly of like the game. I'll turn it on when I'm saying anything for trolling though. Alright, so what we're going to planning to do is we're going to kill him and then spam the chat. And then we're just going to do one battle because we'll probably get kicked.
Move out!
Alright, now let's let the real troll begin. Alright, I'm just gonna shoot him. Alright, now time for the real thing. So I'm gonna supposedly say I can make you fly, and I'm gonna shoot him with my tier 10 tank destroyer. Because I'm gonna ammo rack him. Because I'm just gonna ammo rack this guy. Because I can do it to 1,500 damage of high explosive ammo. Or I'm just gonna ram him, make it say, I'm gonna say it's not working, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna go with plan B, and then I'll ram him. Which he'll probably get partially mad about that.
Let's get this show on the road.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on, I got him. He's gotta buy it. Okay, he's buying it, clearly. No, we're not gonna take any chances of it not working, because this tank, high explosives, are not penetrate him. Alright, I'm just gonna turn the audio off so you can hear me blow him up. Okay, luckily this guy's playing along. So this guy really doesn't care that I blew him up. This is a good person. He doesn't get mad at like all the other people in the world. Okay, I guess I'm going to be playing with him rather than anything else. So I'm just going to get a BT7 since he's saying there's a glitch for it, supposedly. I guess this is a glitch video and a troll video at the same time. No, it just turned in from a troll video.